In this video, we are going to learn about the extend command. And here is the command in the ribbon, and the shortkey for extend is E. The functioning of extend is it is going to extend the line up to the selection if we want to offer the selection to the command. So if you want to have the detail on the boundary curve and the curve to extend, you can consult to my video on trim. I will attach the link to the trim video in the I button so that you can have the catch on these options. Now let's understand how the extend is going to work. Just go to the arc. I'm going to make some arcs like this. Now just go to profile. I'm going to make some profiles like this. Now just go to extend. Now, in many cases, user wants to extend the line up to this only, or you can say as up to the next intersection. So it will automatically pick up the next intersection like this. Whenever you are going to hover your mouse, it will highlight the particular line, like up to what value or up to what portion it is going to be get extended. So when I just hover my mouse, you can see the change taking the place in the real time. So I'm just going to have this line to be get extended up to this. So just have a simple click. This is simple extend. Now let's understand the advanced part of the extend. For that, we have to just go to the boundary curve, and here we have to perform the selection for the select curve. Boundary curve means it is going to give you the authority that up to what curve or up to what intersection do you want to have the extension. So I need the extension up to this portion. Just select this portion and then go to the curve to extend. So this is the curve which I want to extend. Just click on it. So you can see this has been extended up to this curve. This is the speciality regarding the boundary curve. We could not perform the function in a single click without the boundary curve if there were no option regarding the boundary curve selection. Okay, so this is how we can have the extend. Let's have one more example regarding this. Like if I just draw a line like this and again go to the extend, and this time I need the extension up to this. But what if I just do not want to select this? So you can see I have to perform two operations. Like I have to perform the two clicks. Now again go to the extend. In this case, I'm just going to select this boundary curve, and here the curve to extend is this one. This is how we can perform the extend. So this is all in this video. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of this video on the extend command. Please do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.